Hey guys, so I want to talk about the Veloz or Avanza Engine Undercover or Chassis Undercover. No, I got it off Lazada. It took about like less than a week for this company to ship it out. JRZ Car Accessories. There's a ton of them out there, but ito medyo mas ni-refer ng mga ibang ka-group ko sa Facebook, no? So you do have like two options. There's a black one, but this one is plastic, no? And then you have another one that's full aluminum, no? This plastic one. So honestly, I'm not so sure like which is the better version. But I heard that if you get the plastic, you may get some melting, right? I'm not so sure how true that would be, no? And then yung aluminum naman, supposedly mas matibay. However, hopefully it doesn't rust, right? Aluminum typically doesn't rust, no? So this is why I got that, no? So this one actually it's sort of more of a bronze. I'll show you the actual pictures in a while, no? Um, and then what I like about this one is that it's pretty thick as well, no? So may kabigatan rin siya. Now let's talk about like why you would actually need something like this. So what I did was I actually went to Car Place. This one is called R Systems. This one they have a branch in Cavite, and then another one dito sa Muntinlupa sa Alabang sa loob ng Westgate, no. Pinuntan ko yung sa Westgate. I wanted it because I wanted them to use the lifter, just so it's easier for me to make this video as well, no. But so this is the main reason why you need an engine. So you can actually see here, no, that nothing really covers the engine, right? And what's funny is, so a lot of people will say like, oh, hindi naman kailangan yan. That's how they built it. So mas makakasingaw yung engine. But honestly, there's actually a bunch of screws here. I'm not so sure if they actually place the under chassis cover in other countries, but here in the Philippines, wala siya, right? So the most important part of any car is actually the engine. So of course you would want to well, no? So you can see there, may mga abang na tornilyo siya eh. So you would think that they would actually, place that on, no? Once again, Toyota, being Toyota, baka naman tinitipid lang nila, right? So this is what the unit looks like. It comes in bubble wrap. It was wrapped pretty well. So you can see here, it's for the Veloz Avanza 2022. My specific Veloz was a E variant na 2024, right? But alam ko they're all the same, no? You can also notice that it's not a flat surface, parang medyo may grooves siya, right? At saka parang more of bronze yung itsura nito, right? Honestly, I would have preferred it if it was black. But since this isn't seen, so okay lang naman, right? So that this is the upward facing side, and then ito yung nakita from the bottom. One thing I liked about this one is it actually has this area here, which is going to be used for changing your oil, no? And I also prefer that there are a couple of holes as well, just so at least the water or whatever liquids coming from the car can pass through. So there's an arrow here. This is the front facing part, no? So this is towards the front of the car. I'm hoping that it's stainless steel. Yeah. Okay, so I'll show you the video right now of how it was installed. So here is the bottom installed already, no? So you can see that there's uh, one right there, two, three, four, five. They missed ones. Six, seven, eight, nine. So there's about like nine screws, all in all, no? And then ito yung sinasabi ko, the oil cover, so you could easily change the oil of your car. Now this is what it looks like, just so at least we can really see the bottom. So yan yung itsura niya. This is the front of the Veloz, no? The arrow facing upwards, no? So you can see, just so at least I can help show you, it's actually clipped here. These two are existing tornillos, no? This black one, right? So you use that one, and then you have two here on the right side, and then one on the left side. So you see, here's some up close shots, no? So kita nyo dyan, no? Ito yung sa side ng oil, right? Yan. And there. So, yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, parang nakalimutan. I had that installed after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, a total of about like 10 clips that you have to connect. So, another view of the Veloz cover installed. So, you know, once again, guys, it's such a simple addition to your car. I really suggest that you guys go ahead and purchase this and install this for your Veloz. My personal take is it will help protect your car in the long run. So, especially, you know, habang bago pa yung mga Veloz nyo, go ahead and install this right away, no? And then I'm gonna make a couple of other videos on top accessories that I feel that you should be able to install in your Veloz as well. Okay, so please like and subscribe, guys, so you'll be updated on those videos as well. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.